Hello friends, now I will open Chat GPT and then open Chat GPT. You can ask some question to this coding purpose. JavaScript coding and another coding. This is understanding Python and JavaScript language. You can ask this simple JavaScript. It is generating coding for specific program. An example, if you ask this question, write a Python function, calculate public sequences. This is the question. You can now observe what is going on this after I ask this question. Observe this, the write a Python function calculator public sequences. After the question asking, the Chat GPT response giving this, see the screen, the Python default kick sequencing is coming this way. You observe this. This is the result of this. You can use this perfect question to Python and JavaScript and Java. This is the asking questions. This is given the instant answer to display the coding. It is very useful coding peoples also, students and computer engineering student. Please subscribe my TechDude channel. Please like my TechDude channel. So many Chat GPT tutorial videos and developing videos is coming soon. Thanking you once again, your TechDude.
Once you are in, you all see that the interface can type your questions. It is simple as that. Basic coding request. Now let us jump into some basic coding request. If you want to generate coding, start the specify programming language. For example, you could say write a Python function calculated public sequences. Check this how Chat GPT provide well structured function that you can check directly use. You can even ask example coding if you are not sure how to works. The debugging coding. Once the closest features debugging, if you have to some coding that is throwing errors, you can pause or in the ask Chat GPT help you troubleshoot. For example, my code why is giving me error. The Chat GPT will analyzing coding and providing suggestions. This can save you tons of time learning new concept. Chat GPT also is great learning new program concept. You are curious about a specified topic like what you close or JavaScript, you can ask explain. It can break down complex topics. Similar terms make errors. Coding projects. Look, start projects. You can ask Chat GPT for project ideas based on your interesting and skill level. For example, give beginners level project ideas JavaScript. Once you have two idea, you can ask help with structure specification feature. It is like have to coding buddy. The best practice. Before we wrap up, let us talk about some best practice when using Chat GPT for coding. Be specific. The more details you providing, the better the response. Irritate if your first response is not what you want. Refine your questions. Validity code. Always test and review the codes before using your project. Latest learning tool. Don't just copy paste. Try to The Python default calculation average, it is the review generate coding critical high, the functionality, syntax error, logical error, reliability, refine your request based Intel output, first attempt Chat GPT might be not perfect but that's okay. Here, how to improve it, identify improvement areas, indicate the different features of the coding required, alternative after reviewing it. Refinery you are promoting. Change your prompts to treat ChatGPT in desired directions based on Intel output. Be as specific possible about what you would like to change. This some examples. If this code falls with edge cases, empty list, invalid input, please include in such a situation your prompt asking ChatGPT to adjust coding accordingly. The coding functionality correct but hard to understand. Request ChatGPT for the refactoring that make rewarding errors by well-known coding conversions. Test generation coding to understand generation coding, unexpected behavior error, inefficiency. While ChatGPT can generate codes, crucially understand logical behind it is the time to analyze to code, grasping how it works. Help identify potential issues. Understanding logical allows to stop potential problem the coding, designing implementation. Make a future modification, maybe need alert logical sometimes later on when making changes you log them. Integrate efficiently. When you integrated generating code into your large project, understanding its functionality, curiosity, seamless coding optionals. If generating coding functional but not optimal, consider reaction into improving in the reliability, better readability codes are achieving using meaningful variable names, proper index and comments, for example plain and complex logical. The maintainability of make sure the coding best practices are considered while avoiding overall complicated structures, make errors, compare and adjust coding features time. Efficiency performance, crucially consider any potential bottleneck and programming and optimize speed memories if necessary. The documentation coding clear. This documentation coding compensates you even if you are generating by ChatGPT. The documentation serves several purposes. Understand the purpose. Clear explain what that code does not and the problem it solves. Functionality breakdown. Describe different functions or modules within the coding and their roles. Assumption made. The code really any specification, assumption, external library, future references. The main conclusion total videos now I will tell you. The ChatGPT is virtually tool and coding backpack, and in order to use ChatGPT to write code, now it is advantages and disadvantages. Create good prompts and have their best practice possibilities so that you can utilize for the faster development simultaneously or creative and increasing programming productivity. Nevertheless, remember of the ChatGPT is not a substitute for your problem solving skills and critical abilities. Therefore, unlock your coding games experimentally with this master its full potential. The ChatGPT writing coding 2020-24. I hope found the videos helpful. If you did not, forget like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and more tech videos in ChatGPT, tech tutorials and all. Please subscribe and thank you for watching the